Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're taking care of a Xbox One S HDMI port. I'm trying to get you guys a good view, but it's difficult. And I also wanted to showcase how it's just absolutely packed with dirt. There's supposed to be holes right there. There is not. It's just packed with dirt. And even on the side, it's just packed with dirt. So we're gonna have to take care of that too. But of course, there is smoker. Good times. Let's see. That is the effects of smoking too close to your system. Please, folks, do not smoke near your systems. Whether it's tobacco or otherwise, do not smoke near your systems. Look at that. Just a wee bit of dust, that's all. It's almost sealed the disk drive. The whole unit's full of chunky goodness. Come on, focus. Look at that. That fan. Jeez. All the chunkies along there. Come on, focus. It won't focus, but there it goes. All those chunkies. Fun times. Plenty of chunky goodness. And then we're gonna redo the heatsink as well. Yeah, we'll take care of all that too. Alright, well, two things happened. I spent so much time getting it all cleaned up, I almost forgot that it also needed the HDMI port replaced. And then when I used my method that I use with the low melt, it works so well the whole port just fell off without even using the rework station. So we're going to clean this up and get the new port on. Quite a bit of solder. I've been thinking about buying a desoldering iron. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. Should I buy one? Is the wicking good enough? Just takes a little more time. Works good otherwise. post, it never sticks out like it should on this one hole. Every one I've ever worked on. Pretty weird. That's the final outcome on the pens. Looks beautiful. Alright, and those are the posts. Let's bolt it up and test. The before and after is insane. All that dirt and dust gone. Hey, I think the unit will be able to breathe now too. Alright, we are back in action. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday. Hit the bell notifications so you don't miss any new videos.